Hello, dividend executives. Welcome back. The stock market is open, so you already know we are ready to trade some options, review our plays from last week that expired worthless, and collect some premium. So let's dive into it. I've sold a couple of options this morning. I have some fills out there, and I have some more plays that I want to make. But first, let's take a look at our options that expired worthless from last week. Last week, we sold options on Riot at the, let's see if I can get this pulled up. At the 13, we were paid I believe $44 for it right here. And obviously these expired worthless. So we collected and kept the entire $44 worth of premium and we got our collateral back. So what do we have on the table for this week? Well, let's take a look at the account. For the last week, we were up $75 or 1.4%. For the last month, we were up $350 or 6.85%. The last 3 months, $542 or 11%. And year to date, we are up $1,490 or 37.43%. You may ask, how the heck did we get here? Well, we got it by just trading little options each and every single week and slowly compounding the account. And yeah, that's how we have a $5,400 portfolio. We have $1,259 worth of buying power available, and we have some moves that are going to be made. So we made a couple of moves this morning, only two. We sold 2 puts on TSLL. We were paid $30 worth of premium. And if we get assigned the shares, then we will will those again. I also put in an order in for the 1423 at the 20 ask just to see if I could get somebody to fill it. It looks like it didn't fill. So what are we going to do? We're going to cancel this and we're going to make some other plays. And we're going to split it this week. Rather than doing all on one fund, we're going to split it up. And even though Riot is in the green today, I'm going to sell some puts on Riot or Mara, one of the two. Just because this sector has been hot and I don't think it's going to cool off that much. So I think it's a good bet. So we're going to come down here to the share price and we're going to do a semi-safe-ish one. We're going to do it at the 14.5. We're going to see if we can get 2 of these. I think I have enough capital to get 2 of these done. And that would be an 18. Oh, I don't have enough to get 2. We have 2,600. So we don't have enough to get that one done. So what we're going to do then is we are going to, let's see, I might go 2 weeks out and just see what we could do at the 13.5. Yeah, let's play it a little bit safer. Let's see, 2,600. I should be able to do this one right here. We do 0.10. If we did 2 of these, that would be $20. Yeah, we should have enough to get that done. All right, so that order's in. We'll see if it fills. This Bitcoin has been, honestly, it's been holding above 40K for quite some time. So I've been selling Riot and Mara, and so far it's been really good. So I've been playing those options have been expiring worthless. And if I do get assigned, obviously I'll will them or I'll sell calls on them. And so far so good. TSLL is on Tesla, and that one has been absolutely awesome to us as of late. The stock price is really high for right now. And we've been taking profits. We've willed this, I think, 3 times on the channel. And so I wouldn't mind taking it again, but it looks like TSLL is basically break even today. So you know what? That might be the better play. Let's just cancel this order. That way we can keep it on the weekly. And if we get assigned, no problem. So we're just going to go here and we're going to do view all options. We're going to sell a put. Let's go down to the strike price here. So we have 2 at the 14.23. We could sell 2 more of those and get paid. Or we could do this 13.73 and get paid 5. We might do that. So let's take a look here. It looks like our available balance, there it is, 2,600. So we could do 2 at the, well, I don't know if it'll be really close. Let's see if it'll let us do it. So we're going to do 1 here for sure, and it's only going to pay 5. That's the one thing that stinks about TSL is the bid asks. All right, so it paid a little bit extra, $5.97. So it looks like it filled at 6. Probably because people are rolling options. That leaves us $12.95 available. And then we're going to do, what we're going to do is we're going to do 1 longer dated option. Let's do it on Riot. And we're going to do like a let's do January 5th. And then let's come down here down to, let's do the 12.5. Wouldn't mind getting assigned there. Let's see if we can get it to fill for 19. Medium likelihood to fill. Only one above the ask. Okay, so there it really is, 18 and 19. So I'm going to leave that open, see if we can get that to fill. If not, no worries. But these are the plays this week. So we've got the 1373 and we've got the 1423. You might be wondering what the heck happened to the strike prices. Well, they had a special dividend that came out. And we can actually, let me pull that up and you can see we actually got paid some dividends on this. Right here, $2.73. So we got paid 27.34 cents a share, $2.73 hit our account. And so that what they did is they actually just took the 27 cents and took it right off the stock price, which is kind of interesting. So it moved all the strikes from 1450 to 1423 or 14 to 1373. So we have those two options in there as of right now. If we get assigned, we'd get 300 shares and we'd get a nice average, probably just a little bit above 14. If I can't get a fill on this Riot, I might just wait for a red day in the week, and we'll update it next week as to what plays I made. But for right now, that's a longer dated one. I'm fine getting assigned Riot at the 12.5. The stock would have to come down from 15, not basically $16 down to 12.50 over the course of the next 2-3 weeks. And so that's the play for right now. Some good premium added to the account today, so we got $30 there, and then I think we got $5 for or $6 for this, so there's $36 there. If we get this filled, it's almost a $50 day, so which is pretty much the goal for this account. I try to get between $100 and $200 each and every single month added to this account in the form of premiums and or share appreciation. As of right now, we are full cash on this account. We are full cash. We own 0 stocks on the account, so we have just about over $5,500 of cash on the account, and we just keep it really simple. We sell cash secure puts, we sell covered calls, and we just continually grow this. The nice part about doing this in an IRA is I pay 0 taxes on it until I retire, so I'm good to go there. And I can just grow this. I can trade this as much as I want, and I don't have any tax implications. So I keep growing this, and I like to do this to showcase small option plays. TSL is one of my favorites because I believe in Tesla long term. Going into the next Bitcoin run, I play a lot of Riot and Mara and some of those smaller cap stocks. I like to play Rivian as well. SOXL is another one that I love to play as well. It's 3X on the semiconductor bull ETF, but this one has gone absolutely berserk, up 26% over the last week and 27% of the last month. So I'm letting this one cool off a little bit. It's ran with NVIDIA. We can pull that up here as well. NVDA. And you can see over the last week, that's over the last week, it's up 5.5% or $25 a share. So, and $70 over the last 3 months. So that's been pushing it up a lot. Some of the other ones as well. But yeah, so that's the plays we have for the week. Our Riot options expired worthless last week. We have some TSLL ones in for this week. And hopefully this will fill at the 19. If not, I could change it to the 18, or I could just wait, and I might just do that. So that's the plays for the week. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. And as always, just drop a like on the video. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Happy investing. We'll catch you next time.